Marsha, and today we are changing it up a little bit because I've got for you a low impact fat burning workout. We're going to do 8 exercises twice through, and there'll be no jumping, no deep squatting, and no equipment. Who's ready to join me? Let's go. Let's start with a little warm up before we get started. Put your legs wide, sweep it up as we play, and stretch as you bend your knee into and stretch into that side body. Again. And reach and stretch. Do some gentle head rolls, knee over to the shoulder and around. Feels great on that upper back if you've got any tension there. We're gonna put our hands down to just above our knees on our thighs, and we're gonna do a modified cat-cow. We're gonna curl the back, and then we're gonna release. Stretch out that spine a little bit. Oh yeah. Let's do some wide arm circles, and we're gonna do knee up and out, just like this. And we're gonna reverse. So this workout is perfect for those of you who are newer to fitness, or perhaps you are returning to working out after a bit of a lapse. This is perfect for you. And honestly, it's perfect for anyone because changing up your workout periodically and giving your body a low impact day helps you actually gain fitness because the body has a rhythm to it. We strain it and stress it with a hard workout, and then we do something a little easier. We step it back so the body can repair and recover. Now this one is still gonna have a cardio aspect, so you're gonna be moving, your heart's gonna be pumping, and it's every bit a workout without the hard pounding that can be so hard on our bodies. So with that, I'm gonna start my timer and we're gonna get started. We're gonna go 45 on for the exercise and then a 15-second easy jog. Right here, march in place. Nice and strong. Let's bring it out for 4. And in. Out for 4. And in. For 4. Out. And in. And out. You got it. Get that blood pumping. All right, and now we're going to just do our easy, low impact jog for 15 seconds. Next up, we're going to do some high knees. Here we go. High knees, high arms. Swing them up there. Oh yeah. How you doing? Getting warmed up? All right. A little recovery jog right here. But we're moving and our heart rate is coming up. You feel it? I do. Next up, we're going to do a half squat, so not so deep. And we're going to pulse it at the bottom for 3. So half squat, 1, 2, 3. Squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. Weight is in your heels. You're sitting back. Chest is up. And you're looking forward. We're just squeezing up. That's where the booty gets strong. And resume our jog. Next up, we're going to do a side lunge with a lateral leg raise. I will show it to you in just a minute. Here it comes. And push off. Push off. We're going to do 5 and then we're going to switch sides. There's 4. Here's 5. And change ways. Great for the adductors and abductors. Next up is a heel dig with a bicep curl. Squeeze those biceps at the top. You can get low in your knees if you feel like it. And resume our low impact jog. Next up comes a hamstring kickback. Love those hamstrings. Here we go. Reach and pull. Nice and strong. This is an upper body workout too. Here comes our jog. We're gonna do a reverse lunge, kind of modified because we're not gonna go all the way down. So reverse lunge with the knee up. I'm getting sweaty, how about you? Here we go. Reverse lunge, knee up. Let's do 5 each side. Here's 3. Here's 4. And 1. Switch legs. Good balance here. And switch. And if you can't balance, feel free to hang on to a chair. No shame in hanging on. And switch. Okay. Forward jogging. Next up, we're going to go back to that half squat. We're going to do some punches for the upper body. Here we go. Squat down and punch for 3. Squeeze it up. 2, 3. Squeeze. Punch 2, 3 and squeeze. Punch 2, 3 and squeeze. Nice and strong. Breathe. Okay. And back to our jog. And then we're going to take it from the top. So we're going to march. How you doing? Looking good. Okay, and march. And out for 4 right here. And in for 4. You got the alternations. Core is tight. Tummy is in. Jog, and you know if the jog is too much for you, if your heart rate's too high, feel free to just rest here or grab water. You don't have to do this jog. Next up is our high knee. Here we go. Really pull those arms down. Nice strong back and shoulders. Next up, we're going to go back to that half squat and pulse for 3. You're getting sweaty. I don't want to be the only one. Here we go. Squat, pulse, 2, 3, and squeeze. Pulse, 2, 3, and squeeze. Pulse, and up. Squeeze the top. Next up is a side lunge with the lateral raise. We'll do 5 each side. There we go. Push. Here's 5. And we're going to switch. And switch. I'm feeling these. And switch. All right. Great job again, but remember you can grab some water and take a rest at any time. This workout is low impact, but it definitely sort of creeps up on you. Next is our heel day and bicep curl. Low neck knee, and squeeze the arms at the top of the movement. Shoulders down away from your ears. If there's any tension in your back, make sure you relax it. No need to hold tension there. Dissipate the stress. And we're back to our jog. Next up is our hamstring kickback. Here we go. Let's crisscross the arms this time. Open them wide, stretch out that chest. Back to our jog. And next comes our reverse lunge with the knee up. Our balance move that I promise you will pay off if you pay attention to your balance. Here we go. Reverse lunge and knee up. And again. And switch legs. Reverse the lunge. And switch. All right. And we're jogging. We're going to do our last move. A little modified half squat with the punching. And then you are good to go. Here we go. Squat, 3 punches and squeeze. Nice and strong. You guys are great. All right. That's it, you guys. You're so wonderful. Thanks so much for joining me. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe. And hit that bell up there so you are notified when I've got some new workouts for you. Thanks for joining me.